Staying healthy is the goal for every single person, right? But not everyone can maintain good eating habits, but that's all right, as we all deserve to sometimes enjoy ourselves despite knowing the outcomes. The liver is a powerhouse for the body, just like mitochondria are for a cell. It not only stores vitamins, balances cholesterol, produces bile, but also detoxifies our body and eliminates the toxins. So if you are also looking for ways to keep your liver in great shape, then you have just landed on the right video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk you all through how to naturally keep your liver in the best health. And also I am going to give you a breakdown of some food items which can help you achieve the goal. So sit back and make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. Number 1, balanced weight. Obesity is the mother of most diseases, and you don't want to welcome any such diseases like diabetes, cancer, and even liver damage. Obesity can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which can sometimes be fatal. So make sure not to do overeating, and also try to stay as much happy as possible. Number 2, exercise regularly. Don't forget to go for a walk at least once a day, as it will help your body to dissolve TAG, and thus reduce your liver fat. Number 3, avoid too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol can result in so much liver damage that it can sometimes also become fatal. So avoid the use of alcohol as much as you can. And trust me, you will thank me later. Number 4, drink coffee. Coffee works wonders on the liver, and here's why you should include it in your diet if you want a healthy liver. It lowers the risk of permanent liver damage and cirrhosis. It prevents the buildup of cholesterol and fat, which leads to liver disease. It also prevents liver cancer as it increases the amount of antioxidant glutathione in our body, which eats up the toxic free radicals. Number 5, take grapefruit. All thanks to its antioxidant nature, grapefruit reduces the inflammation and proves to be protective to the liver. It has two antioxidants called naringin and naringenin, which prevent the development of hepatic fibrosis. So you can either eat grapefruit or drink its juice regularly to have a healthy liver. Number 6, add beetroot juice to your diet. Beetroot juice prevents oxidative damage to the liver, and all thanks to the nitrates it provides to our body. Not only that, but it also has antioxidants called betalains, which also prove to be fruitful when it comes to liver health. Though beetroot itself has been hailed as one of the best foods for liver health, most of the time, its juice is highly recommended. Is there anyone who takes beetroot juice every day? If yes, then what do you confer about their overall health? Let me know in the comments. Well, which way of keeping your liver healthy are you going to try out first? Drop your views in the comment section below. With that being said, it's time for us to say goodbye, but don't be sad, as I will be back with another amazing video soon. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.